This video is about how to make money with your Facebook stories. Now, one way you can use Facebook stories to make money is selling your own products or services. And there's no limit on what you can sell on your stories. You can sell almost everything. And you just need to post your items as stories and tell people how they can get them. Another way to earn with your Facebook stories is in doing affiliate marketing. And you need first to join a suitable affiliate program, then you sell their products or services through your stories. And you just need to add the affiliate links in your stories and hope that people will buy through them for you to earn a commission. And if you have a huge following on Facebook, then you can use your stories to promote other people's businesses and get paid. And you need first to agree with the businesses about the payment, then you create stories promoting what they offer. In addition, you can directly ask for funds from your loyal followers using your Facebook stories. And you just need to give your followers a good reason to contribute towards you, like a charity or your own project. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.